In this section, you're going to learn how to write complex queries in SQL. Mostly, we're going to revisit subqueries that you learned about earlier in the course. A subquery is a select statement that is within another SQL statement. In this section, we're going to take a closer look at these subqueries. We're going to work on lots of examples that help you master writing complex queries. Now, before getting started, I want you to restore all of our databases to their original state, because earlier in the course, we added some new records, we updated existing ones. I want to make sure that going forward, we both have the exact same data set. So what I show you in these videos look exactly the same on your computer. So here in MySQL Workbench, on the top, go to the File menu, and then open SQL Script. Then browse to the folder where you stored all the scripts for creating these databases. In case you lost that folder, simply go back to the first section. There is a lecture for downloading the scripts. Now, in this list, open Create Databases. This will recreate all of our databases. So we will have the exact same data set. Now, to execute this, either click on this icon here or use your shortcut. There you go. All of my databases are restored to their original state. Beautiful. Now let's jump in and get started.